On this Valentine's Day, Howard has got us something sweet in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen for you to share with your someone special.
Happy Valentine's Day. You did remember, didn't you? For those of you who forgot, there's no reason to run out the door in hopes of finding the perfect candy for your sweetheart. We've got a recipe for salted caramel toffee that's just a thing your sweetheart is gonna love. They won't even think you almost forgot. Watch how easy. We line a baking pan with parchment paper and cover it with broken pretzel pieces. We set that aside and bring some butter and brown sugar to a boil. While it's simmering, do not stir it. After about 3 minutes, pour it over the pretzels and bake it off. Be careful, this is gonna be molten hot. After it bakes, sprinkle on some chocolate chips, and once they're melted, spread them over the toffee base. A little sea salt goes over this, and we let it cool. Now we break it into pieces and wrap it up for that someone special, or bring the whole thing to work or to your neighbor's house and let everyone dig in. If homemade candy doesn't say I love you, what does? To get the recipe for our salted chocolate pretzel toffee, all you have to do is hop on our website. I'm Howard with Kelly in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a romantic homemade way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.